Hi guys, Sagar here. Hope you understood the previous one. Today we have the seventh question, the last question of exercise 11.2. It says, is it right to say sine of a plus b is equal to sine a plus sine b? Justify our answer. So if we look into the question, so to justify answer, let's do the verification. Let a is equal to 60 and b is equal to 30. So sine 60 plus 30, which is equal to sine 90, and sine 90 value is equal to 1. And if we take sine a plus sine b, which would be, let's take this first bit, or LHS, and if we find the RHS right hand side, we have sine a plus sine b, which is, if we take a equal to 60 and b equal to 30, which would be sine 60 plus sine 30. Sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, and sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So if we take LCM here, this would be root 3 plus 1 by 2 and not equal to 1. So by the method of verification, we found out LHS and RHS is not same. LHS we got sine 90 is equal to 1, and on the RHS we got root 3 plus 1 by 2. So it is wrong to say that sine A plus B is equal to sine A plus sine B. And the correct identity of sine A plus B is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. That's it. Hope you understood the question. Subscribe.